Hi everyone. Have you ever wondered or asked yourself where are you heading, or knowing where you are now? I've had the privilege to embark on a training journey with my mentor Amenny to better equip and empower myself during this crisis. We mastered the powerful 8 pillars of an area specialist, becoming more organized using the latest tech-enabled agent tools. How to build and feed our databases. How to stay focused and ahead. As the market has shifted, we have to start rethinking, resetting our GPS, that is our goals, priorities, and strategies, to stay organized, focused, motivated, and ahead in this market. So today, the training so far Amenny provided us, she has informed us or tell us that if you practice something continuously for 21 days, it will become a habit. So the training that we went through is all the above and much more.